and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and here I'm sitting in my sunroom, and today we're gonna give it a makeover, at least a little baby makeover, because she was a little unfinished when I bought the house. So basically, if you haven't been a part of my channel or have been watching my series, you may have seen that I bought a house. I'm sitting in it. That's cool. So when we bought this house, this was a newly added addition. Basically, they had a carpet in here, but it was not indoor-outdoor carpet, so it got like rotted. So they had to take away the carpet. So they did. And then it was just a room with plywood floors. So here I am now sitting in my newly donated furniture from my wonderful grandparents, and I'm going to start to paint the only wall that is in this room. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the video.
All right, let's get started with supplies. I used Sherwin-Williams paint, basically the same paint that is in my house. Basically whatever was left over, I decided to use. Obviously a roller, and then that little white thing that we saw earlier was an edge trimmer. And also, this is painful to watch me struggle to open this. I am so weak, it is not even funny. Of course, we have to stir up this paint, and this is the shade Mindful Gray from Sherwin-Williams. I also used this paint in Mark and I's game room, which is basically just the room with desks. I don't know why I thought this would fit in the top, but it didn't. So I had to struggle and pour this out, and you can all laugh at me because, again, I'm weak. I can't do anything without, hurting myself or feeling some sort of pain. And then we got started with painting the trim. This I used an oil-based paint, nice and white to make it all clean. And I painted the trim first because I knew that the walls was going to take the longest, and the trim takes no time. As you can tell from the background, this was taken quite a while ago. This was sometime in September when there was still a lot going on the inside of the house and we weren't living in it yet. But alas. Also, it would not be a video without me getting at least a little distracted.
Holy shit!
Holy shit. There's a big ass hawk in the tree. And it just flew by and it was so big. I thought there was a person walking into my backyard. Anyway, now that the hawk flew away, it was time to get back to work and back to trimming. This was interesting to say the least. I guess I forgot how much paint these hold, so that's why I was kind of doing double lines and just spreading the excess. And then after that was time to do the top and get on this ladder, and thank God this ladder was sturdy because I'm not a fan of getting on ladders. Honestly, I don't really know who is a fan of getting on ladders, but I just never trust myself because I always go up too high and then I always feel like I'm going to lose my balance. But regardless. Also, the fan looks weird because it's on because it was so damn hot in the sun porch. Since we have 3-season windows, the heat when the sun is beating in goes in and stays in. Almost kind of like, how global warming works. As you know, painting is time consuming. This footage is I'm pretty sure 8 times speed or something like that. This took me a few hours to do by myself. At least all of the coats, it took me a few hours to do. After sweating my ass off though, I have to say the finished product definitely looks good, and this color definitely goes well with the entire room itself. I was thinking about painting the fan a different color, but that'll be for a different time, I think. All right. I'm sweating, as you can see, and coat number 1 is on the wall. It's so hot in here.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's YouTube.
Just kidding. I got 2 coats of paint on the wall. I guess all that's left for this room is to get the carpet attached. I think that's it. And then styling it, but I'm gonna do that in a different video. Who is that?
I don't even know what the hell they just said.
I don't know either.
I got a Kyle.
Well, anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I guess we'll see you when the carpet's attached.
I'm glad I'm just sitting here and doing nothing.
You did all the hard work, okay? I have to put you in it. Welcome back. It's been many fucking months, if you couldn't tell. It's snowing outside right now. It's
It's a little chilly out here, but my sunroom is finally done. So it's not much of a crazy reveal. That's why I'm sitting in this corner, so you can't have anything spoiled before I show the clip. But the clip was also from the summertime, but it's okay. So anyways, let's roll it. Here we go, the final review. So now that the sun porch is done, I mean, it's also been a few months, I did get one new addition. It's this wonderful heater. You could probably hear it in the background right now because it's cold out here. I have like some stock footage of me using it last night, but yeah, it's very nice. Got it on sale at Home Depot, and we have some gift cards, so was not that much. It was like, I think $80 on sale or something like that, or 70. So very thankful for that. But yeah, that's my sun porch video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe. I have plenty more house videos coming soon. Obviously it's taking a while, but that's because everything's getting filmed and slowly edited, and then I forget that I'm editing them, and then I forget to film things, and then we have a situation like this video where it's like, it's fine, it's great. Anyways, so with that, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you stay happy and healthy, and don't forget to subscribe because that engagement really helps me, and I do really appreciate it. So with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!